Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy step-to-step process on how to log out of your FTX wallet on your PC. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log out of your FTX wallet account using your PC, open up your wallet that you are logged in with. The first interface of FTX wallet will look like this after you are logged into your account. If you are done using FTX wallet and you'd like to log out of your account for security reasons or any other reasons, go to the upper right hand corner and mouse over to your profile picture. This will bring up an expanded menu beneath. Go to the bottom and click on the log out button in red in order to log out of your FTX wallet right away. With a simple click on the log out button, you have successfully logged out of your wallet. Make sure that you remember your credentials so that next time you log into your account, you won't have any problem getting access to your wallet. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of FTX wallet account using PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.